Hello everyone. So in this video we would like to share about the work that we are doing. This is a Honda Jazz headlights casing, and this the right hand side, and this one is the left hand side. Why we are doing this? Because we are doing the upgrade and the work in the Honda Jazz 2008 model, which is the generation 2008 to 2013. Now the headlight was very yellow, and it was damaged by the sun and the weather for a long time. We already started work on the casing, and we are doing well with the process, but at least at this moment we are stopping at the stage one and want to show how it happened in this case. It is quite different with other cars headlight casing that we did the restoration before, because in this case the jar here actually has the damage on both sides of the head. The headlight casing is outer and inner side, both of them got damaged. Even though looking from the outside it looks quite similar like other case that got the damage from outside, but in this case it's seriously got damage from inside. So you can see we already did the job outside, and now have a look here. That's all the kind of damage here, right here, in here, and like water dropping from inside like this. So that's all happened on the other side, okay, the inner side. And when we put our finger here, we can clearly feel the rough surface of the inner side of the casing is very here you can see how damaged it was, and this is the inner side. Okay, the outer side already been clean and smooth, but the inner side is terrible at this point. So we definitely need to do the inner side as well. So that's why we want to show in this case. This, it looks simple from the first point, but it definitely has a lot more damage than the normal look. And yep, the front already been clear, and now we are doing for the inner side, and looking to see in another video. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you then.